Hey collectors, here is a look at Skeletor from Masters of the Universe Cartoon Collection series by Mattel, and I would like to thank Rare Fine Toys for this. Link in the description below. Check them out. Out of the card, Skeletor comes with a mini comic book titled Wizard's Wizard, and he is on a plastic tray, and most of the other accessories are tucked behind the figure. At the back of the thin card that Mattel used for this toy line, you can see the accessories plus the episode where it came out and the other characters available for Wave 1 and Wave 2, and the instructions on how to use the accessories with the figure. Out of the tray, Skeletor stands at 6 inches tall and is posable. You can again straighten his knees and his elbows, unlike previous action figures of the Motu Universe line. And this is the backside of the figure. There is no sword sheath to put the included weapon for Skeletor in. And again, 2024 sculptors at Mattel probably are visually impaired because they can't even get the hood's length right. It should be draping over his shoulder and not neck length like what we see here. Here is a comparison of the Super 7 version of Skeletor to the cartoon collection of Mattel, and with the length of the Havoc staff, I think this is much better from the Super 7. Also, with how they sculpted the hood back then. You can't give me always the excuse that the cartoon collection is not as high in price point as the Super 7, because there are other companies like Hasbro and McFarlane Toys that does figures bigger and has more accessories than this one. So I can't see any excuse why sculptors in Mattel can't get the length and how the figure or character is depicted in the cartoon, which is much more simpler than what Mattel designed during the 1980s. And here is the back of the figures. And as you can see, the Super 7's hood is longer than what Mattel keeps on doing. Now, I know that this version was also designed by Mattel, and still you can't say that the cartoon collection is cheaper because it's only a matter of extending the plastic for the mold to have that length of the hood for this figure. And I would trade in those extra masks that is included in this figure just to have the proper hood for Skeletor. Most collectors are rejoicing with the release of the cartoon collection by Mattel, but it's still a half-hearted attempt for me, especially with this character. Skeletor's hood, they can't even get the length right, and there are other details that are missing in this figure, especially the shadows or the black areas for his skull. And for size comparison, here he is with Yamcha from Dragon Ball by SH Figure Arts and Snake Eyes from G.I. Joe Classified by Hasbro. With Voltes 5 from the Voltes 5 anime series, SMP line by Bandai, and Bruce Wayne from the Dark Knight trilogy by Modoking Model Kit. And finally, from Wave 1 and Wave 3 of the cartoon collection, Masters of the Universe, He-Man and Trapjaw, both figures by Mattel. And with that, thank you all for watching. and see you all again next video.